Overall, Maryland home prices are up 4.7% from last year. It's Friday, June 19th, 2026. Happy Juneteenth. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The median sold price is up $547,405. Coming soon properties rose 112% to 1,744 units, and these are at a median list price of $499,000. New contracts fell 10% to 1,623 properties in 16 days, holding at $439,950 median list price. 1,304 properties sold in 12 days at a 100% list to sold, and that sold price was a median $480,000. This is up 3.2% from last week's median sold price. Active rentals rose to 3,285 units, with the median list price rising to $2,600 per month. And over the past week, it's taking 26 days for a rental property to go to lease. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 19th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. And if you have a long weekend because of the Juneteenth holiday, enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.